Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today I'll be sharing a great method on how you can be able to trade and how you can be able to capitalize on the trades that you're taking, and also understanding how you can be getting 100 pips and more in a much simpler way. So I'm gonna simplify everything, making sure that you are able to trade as well. So make sure you take notes. Please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Support this channel. Also watch the advertisement so that also I can feel your support that you're part of this family, and also I can be paid and keep on coming back and back to this channel. So let's not waste time. Let's go into the charts. Yes, everyone, I'm back on the charts, and on the charts, I'll be showing you just how you can be able to get 100 pips and more, and also just one of the things that you can be able to capitalize on the market. So please take my advice, make sure you use and apply risk management, because that's one of the biggest factors that many people uh, don't get to make a lot of money, because why? They are risking money which they cannot afford to lose. Okay. Now let's start by looking at this EuroCAD. As you can see, I had already done my setup, and we had this trade going. Looking at it, that we were bullish. So I want to show you guys how we managed to get this bullish, because now we could see that the market was coming in this manner. And then if you look at this clearly, this coming here, how we took this trade, we would understand that from this point you'd have this type of structure, because why? We can see the market is starting to create higher highs. But if you look at, you see here, the first high is higher than this one, and this one is higher, but this one is lower. So it failed because it was supposed to push to the other side. But before saying it was supposed to push to the side, we broke out of this downtrend structure. If the market was still inside this, then I would say we have to continue going down. But the minute that we broke here, I saw that what we are doing, we are coming to retest this zone. Coming to retest this zone, hence I bought here, coming to retest this zone, hence we had a move to a push to the upside. Let me remove this. So you need to be aware of what the market is showing you. So with that being said, let's start from higher time frame so that you can be able to see and analyze, so that you can also get 100 pips in a simpler way and more. Okay, fine. Look at what is currently happening. I'm gonna draw this, and also when I'm done, we're gonna go to lower time frame so that you can make sense of why I drew this certain structures. Okay, and another one, you can draw this one, and then say come to this point. Okay, fine. Then now what I'm gonna do, this one as well. Can do this one as well. Yeah, let me take it here. Fine. Okay, let's look at what is currently happening. Look what is currently happening. You see, we have a point here and another point here, and this was the third touch. Okay, so can you see we had a triple bottom? Most people call it that. We call it the third touch. So look what really happened here. The market was coming here, then created this double bottom, push it, and then create a double bottom. So can you see that there is a significant information why the market pushed to the upside here. So you would have this descending channel, and then the break of it, you'll know that we are pushing up to the upside. But as long as the market is still inside, we are still pushing to the downside. The minute it started to break, that's when we saw that yes, indeed, we are pushing to the upside. So you need to be aware of what is currently happening. Always familiarize yourself with the setups. Practice. Once you start to get a clear picture of these setups, you won't be having issues anymore. Now, one is this one. You can see we are having what? A descending type of a structure. You can see the market is pushing up, and then correction, then boom. Understand? So let's look at it on 1 hour time frame so that you can be able to understand the meaning of putting your analysis in place. Trade your plan your trades. That's how we go on about it. Remember, we take our trades on 1 hour and 15 minutes. Don't make a mistake of taking your trades way on 4 hour. 4 hour will eventually assist you in identify this type of structures. See, this was a correction, but why we are still inside this channel in a downtrend. So we're still selling here. We're selling. Understand? Until reach this point. So I'll advise you that if you like to take a risk entry, take the risk entry where once the market touches here a little bit after the close of 1 hour candle, because you would know that now we're starting to push to the upside. So then your first point will be this one, and then this one will be the second one. So that you can be definitely sure that now this point has closed. So wait for this candle to close, because some instances you see there was a rejection, so meaning it pushed further down. So sometimes you'd have a candle push down and then do a retest and push further to the downside. So make sure you wait for the candle to close, and you'll be more than happy to know when the candle has broke this has broken this channel. You know that now market simply saying we are pushing up. And then look at what is currently happening. The other block that came, this was retested here. So as you know, with the other blocks, I'll scale in harder because I know that the market pushed here, and then did something like this, and then pushed, and then now it's coming here for the third time. So I'm going hard. So I would have went in harder here, especially that it pushed and then came here, retest, and then went up again to retest, it came to retest for the third time. Then I would know that this will definitely be my holy great trade. I'll put in more orders, and then knowing that I'll take it here. Don't be looking at what currently happened, because my TP will be here. My TP will be here because the beginning of this structure, of this downtrend structure, we broke it, and then it is a continuation pattern. Hence, I always show you that if the market is pushing in this manner, and then you have something like this, when you are buying, you want to reach this point. So even if, okay, let me do this. Okay, you are buying to reach this point. This is your ultimate TP. Yes, in between you'll have your TPs here. Let me show you. You'll have your TP here. You have your TP here. You have your TP here. So you're having what? TP 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 TPs, and then your channel will be coming something like this. So don't be saying if the market decides to push further up, you say I'm gonna put my TP here. Learn not to be greedy. That's the one of the things that you'll be able to become a profitable trader. Try to minimize your losses and take profits as they come. You can leave 1 or 2 trades to keep on running and keep on pushing them, putting your stop loss into profit. But don't be trading nakedly, leaving everything from the bottom, the stop loss, no stop loss, and everything. So as I say, if I put my buy here, I know for sure that what I'll have my stop loss below this low, and then what? I'll have my, it has to come here, yes, because it was broken, so something like here. So I'll have my 1, 2, 3, 4 TPs. So I know I take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. So as the market pushes up, if it goes all the way up, then if I took all my profit, it's still fine. I'll go to another pair, or I'll wait for another setup. So I don't chase setup, I let setups come to me. Another one would have been this one. You can see we are having a very nice downtrend here. We capitalize on it, we go down, we keep on pushing. And also how you would have got this downtrend, you will see that here you have what? The break. And then once you have the break here, you would do what? You would sell going down, but you would sell up to here. Understand? So learn to take profit. I know many people tend to lose because they end up holding 100 pips. Then when they start to look at their profits, they've moved. So you can see here we have 1, 2. Just want to show you one. So here, as you can see, let me show you, because now we are it's pushing. Okay, you see here I showed you that my first TP was this one, and second TP is this one. So the third one would have to be around here. Let's see. Yeah, have to be around here. Let me use this blue line again. Have to be here. And then the fourth one, this one is not. Fourth one, fifth one. Oops. Fifth one. So can you see how the market would have gone if you took it here? But obviously, remember, I take profits. I'm building my accounts. I'm withdrawing. So look at something that happened here. Pushed. Then here, you can see. Then you have a possibility of the market doing this before reaching everything. And sometimes it can come back here and push. So all I'm saying is that this low has to be respected. Understand? This law has to be respected to say we are still where in a uptrend, because it's possible that the market can do this, can break here, but this law has not been taken out. So this law is still saying we are still pushing up. So I'm glad I could share this with you. Make sure you took notes and you apply this so that you can also be able to trade just like me and make 100 pips and more, make as much money as you can. From me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I go by the name of Ofentse. If you like to use the broker that I'm using, click the link below, subscribe, share with your friends and families. Catch me in the next video.